Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to add GIFs in your Instagram story. Alright, but before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. I have the 30-day free trial in my video description. Alright, and for those of you who don't know, Amazon Prime is basically a membership program that offers many benefits, and the most important ones are unlimited 2-day shipping with no minimum order size. You can instantly watch thousands of movies and TV episodes, and also you get exclusive shopping deals with discounted prices. I've seen up to like 20, 15% off. So check them out. I have a link for the 30-day free trial in my video description. Check it out and let me know what you think in the comment section below. All right. Now back to Instagram. To add GIFs to your Instagram, first of all, just put a video or a picture. Once you have taken a video or a picture, your screen should look like this. Now, once you're here, look up here. Do you see this little square smiley face? Not the circle one, the square one. Click on that. And I already started messing with it. Now, it usually looks like this when you click on it. And if you go here in the bottom, you see this little sticker that says GIFs. Click on that. And you can start searching from there. Just search anything that you like. Say that. So you get all these options. You can just, when you see one that you like, type on it. And there you go. And you can increase this, move it around, flip it upside down, whichever way that you like. All right. That's how you add GIFs to your Instagram story. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to check out Amazon Prime 30-day free trial. I have the link in my video description, okay? Thank you for watching.